Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by understanding why Roblox fails to update on your device. Check your internet speed and stability before attempting any update steps. Confirm that Windows or Mac OS has the latest system updates installed to avoid compatibility errors. Restart your computer to clear temporary locks that block installers and updaters. Confirm Roblox servers are operational using the official status channels or social media posts. Finally, log out and back into your account to refresh session tokens and permissions. Begin basic troubleshooting by clearing Roblox cache and temporary files in app data or library folders. Then run Roblox as administrator or with elevated privileges to allow installers to write necessary files. Temporarily disable antivirus or firewall that may mistakenly block Roblox installers or update ports. Use a wired Ethernet connection if Wi-Fi shows packet loss or high latency. Reboot your router and modem to refresh network routing and DNS resolution settings. If basic fixes fail, perform an advanced reinstall to restore the Roblox client correctly. Uninstall Roblox, then delete leftover installation folders and program files and app data before reinstalling. Run SFC on Windows or Disk Utility on Mac OS to repair system file corruption that blocks installers. Check for disk space and ensure at least 2 GB free for installer and temporary files during update. If issues persist, create a new user profile and test the update there to isolate profile-specific corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.